Welcome back to AI World. Today I am sharing 3 powerful AI tools that will save your time and boost your creativity. Tool number 1, Gamma. This tool helps you creating stunning presentation documents and even websites with just a few prompts. No design skill needed, everything look clean, modern and professional in seconds. Tool number 2, Durable. Imagine building a complete website in under 30 seconds. Just type a few details about your business and Durable generate a fully functional site with images, text and even an AI powered marketing plan. Third, Mover. Need music for your YouTube videos, TikToks or project? Mover generates unique, royalty-free AI music in any genre or mood. Instantly say goodbye to copyright strikes. These tools can completely change the way you work and create.